3 boxes of Dominion Hockey. First 3 of a 6-box case. Good luck, box number 39. For those of you guys that wanted to do a 6-box case, I got another 6-box case coming, so we'll try it again later, sometime. There we go. Box uno. Nice thick package of cards, and there's some thin cards in there. It's like 4 patches and a skinny card. And there's a base on the back. Yes. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. First base card is Bernie Parent. Legend, I think, for the Flyers. Looks like a legend. Should be numbered to 99. 88 of 99. Then we got Marc-Andre Fleury for the Penguins. Number to 199. First hit is going to be for the Rangers, Brody DuPont. Brody DuPont autograph. Brody is numbered to 199. This is some kind of sideways card. Good luck. I don't know what it is. Upside down sideways card. Let's get it right. Pretty sick. For the Blackhawks, Ed Belfour, 3-color stick auto. It's nice. Good looking card. Stick piece is cool. That one's numbered out of 50. 42 out of 50. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. There you go. Look at that. Notable nicknames. Jerome McGinley, Iggy for the Flames, and Team Butterfield. That's nice. That one is also numbered out of 50, 28 of 50. We got a fat card, laundry tag it says. Where's the top? This is the top, there you go. Laundry tag. The Senators, random, Craig Anderson. Random laundry tag. Look at that. See? You see? 2 out of 5. Got another fat one behind that. Just a gigantic patch of some kind. Sick box. Here we go. Wow. Denis Savard for the Blackhawks. Pretty sick fucking patch right there, huh? Wow. All over the place. 18 out of 25. Number to 25. That's jersey number. Why not? Let's go ahead and there you go. 18 out of 25. Might as well. Blackhawks, yeah. All decade. No auto, nothing, just a jersey. This one. Who is it though? I don't know who it is. Rick Nash for the Blue Jackets. All decade jersey. Blue jersey for the Blue Jacket. That one's numbered out of 99, 69 of 99. We got another auto, some kind of auto. Good luck. It is a Devil. Matt, I can't see his name. Tormina, Matt Tormina, something like that. Matt Tormina, I don't know. But the Devils. That one's numbered to 199. Private signings. Who's that guy? I don't know his name. Ed Glackerman for the Rangers. Looks pretty old school. Look at that mask. Frickin' Jason mask right there. Sick. Scary ass mask, dude. That's pretty scary looking one. Alright, last card. Prime. It's Prime. It says Prime. And 2 colors for the Blackhawks. Might as well. Corey Crawford. Blackhawks. Third hit of the box for the Blackhawks. That one is number 2, 25. 3 of 25. Nice first box.